Hey guys, welcome back. Double D's Customs. What's in Dave's Toolbox? Part 2. Alright, we're gonna look in the big black one today. That big black box. Here we go. Scary, I know. Okay, we're just gonna look real quick here. I'm just gonna pan through everything. You'll hear noise in the background. Dave's fixing a Jeep right now. Alright, this is the metric side of the toolbox. All this in here. So those are all metric. From 1/4 inch to 3/8 to 1/2 inch drive. And then here in the front, these are all extensions. Breaker bar, ratcheting breaker bar, woo, some ultra black Permatex stuff, some gasket maker. This is a homemade socket that I made. I use it for taking out, oh boy, total brain meltdown. Tie rod ends, 36 millimeter. That fits the hub for Chevys in the front. That one's a 36 millimeter as well. Then in these are all different ratchets, extensions, etc., etc. Got some swivels right here, different little changeovers. There's more socket or ratchets and extensions. And then this side of the box, those are all standard or American. And again, they're 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. And these are all different spark plug wrenches here. And that pretty much covers my socket drawer. Next drawer down. This is like Allen wrenches, punches, easy outs, drill bits, different stuff like that. There's some tubing cutters right there. This is a really neat tool right here. I'll show it to you. This guy right here is made by Craftsman, and what you do is you put a punch in it and clamp it down with this little wheel, and it'll hold the punch, and then you can hold this handle and you won't hit your hand when you're beating on a punch or a chisel. Next drawer. These are all like nut drivers and a few other little guys like that. It's a brake line bender. It's a brake tool for getting the little stud guys out of back brakes, the drum style. That's a flare tool. That's another part of the flare tool for flaring steel lines like brake line, so on and so forth. These little guys are handy, like if I'm doing electrical diagnostic work. I'll clamp these on like a Ford style battery, and they're plastic so they don't, no danger of arcing or anything like that. That's handy. Aha! This little guy I use for like tearing apart interiors. It's just a little electric screwdriver. In here, this is a soldering gun. X-Acto knife kit, different solders and flux. That's a torque wrench. This is a little electrical tester. Here's some of my air tools. I got my respirator mask, my DA sander, some dust masks, right angle grinder, straight grinder, stuff like that. Next, This is more like pliers again, and tape measures and stuff like that. Vice grips. That's kind of what that drawer is. Adjustable wrenches, clamps, pry bar. It's tap and die. The blue set's American. That set's, I believe, just metric, if I remember correctly. More form gasket stuff. Bondo hardener. Whoa, look at this mess. That's all diagnostic stuff. It's a bag the scanner goes into. We're actually, scanner is out. We're using it right now. Oh, we got a timing light. That down there, there's some torque wrenches. Some electrical testing equipment, a fluke meter. Things like that. It's meant to handle glass, but this thing is great for pulling out some dents. It's awesome. Notebook. This guy right here is a test kit for doing pressurizing cooling systems. Kind of see in there. That tells us if we have a leaky radiator, a bad hose, a head gasket, all that fun stuff. So that will be part 2 of what's in Dave's toolbox. Part 3, with any luck, I will get out to you tomorrow. Let me spin this around. All right. So, guys, again, leave us a like. Comments are always welcome. Subscribe to our channel. If you enjoy what we're talking about, want to know more, leave your question below. And Dave and I will do our very best to answer all your questions. Till next time, hopefully tomorrow, we'll cover part 3 of Dave's toolbox. We'll see ya. Be safe out there.